Hi, welcome back. I'm Brian. This is Fuzzy Orange. So, who doesn't want themselves in a Lego form? So that's what I'm doing today. Right here you can see these little carbon fiber Lego tiles that I've had for a while. It was actually part of a Kickstarter years ago that I bought them. And yeah, so I decided why not use them for this. And right here you'll see I have a little tile that I just stuck a sticker of my logo on there, and I thought it'd be a good little addition to the base of the figure. But in a follow-up video I'll be showing how I made this, designed this. I just kind of started with a basic structure of Brickheadz, Lego Brickheadz, and altered the features to look more like me. I'll also show in this program how to make this little instruction. You can make step-by-step instructions just like this. You can do little call-outs that you see here, also showing all the pieces, and you'll see on the last page you can show a I don't know, whole group, the whole layout, kind of like what's over here of all the pieces laid out. So yeah, decided to make it look like I'm wearing a woodworking vest. So just did my best to use the pieces that I could think of to make different parts, and I think it turned out pretty well. Obviously it's a very abstract, simple version of myself, but I think it looks pretty good. So yeah, just following my own instructions and putting it together. Some of these pieces I didn't have. I went through my collection to find as many that could work as possible. Did a few substitutions here and there, but ultimately I had to buy a few. And there's this really nice website called Bricklink that you can buy them from. And this program that I used to design from actually connects right to that Bricklink. So when you're done designing your pieces, your model, you can actually upload your shopping list, and it'll find all the right places to buy the pieces from. Again, I'll follow up with a video that kind of goes over in detail. There's more more videos on YouTube that show this process, but I'll go through my own process and what I learned along the way. I'll be showing a model I made of my wife. Yeah, so just finishing up here, adding the last few pieces of my hair, and the typical brickhead eyes. As far as the glasses go, they don't have blue that look like my glasses, so just had to go with black. And yeah, I think it does a pretty good job. You can see my little beard pieces there have those little holes, and I could have bought the flat tiles, but I had the ones there. So there's me, and there's me as a brickhead. So yeah, I had a lot of fun doing it. And be sure to subscribe so you can see my next video on how I made it. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.